big face. Okay, poof.
Jeremiah. To me.
He'd be such a good little elfman. Or like one of those people on TV on the commercials. No, you have to hold it up to him. You have to hold it up to his face. Parents' choice, poof. The one kids no.
The one kids want to eat. I don't know. A puff green jack. No, he can't eat him.
Oh. That's mean. He's so serious. Look how serious he is. Ready, Jeremiah?
And one. Get tongue. Oops. Tongue. Tongue.
He's like, fuck it. Oh, good job. Clap your hands. No, don't put two poofs at a time. So cute. Ew. Drool. Eating out of the palms of the hands, Jeremiah. He's gonna explode. He's gonna be so full of poofs. Jeremiah, smile for the camera. Say bye. Bye. No, not my hand. Yay! Oh no, rugged terrain. It's just shaky. Oh, earthquake. Say bye.